Hey, this is Jason from Solar Batteries Online, just introducing I'd call it a creative three-phase system down in Point Lonsdale. So here we've got, this is pretty typical, this is a Fronius Simo. It's a 12.5 kilowatt three-phase inverter. So on this inverter we've got 14 kilowatts of panels or PV. So that's pretty standard, this is a non-hybrid inverter. It's a Selectronic certified Fronius inverter, so we could put, typically on a three-phase system we would put 3 Selectronic inverters, 1 on each phase, but we've done something different on this job. So on our creative three-phase system we have just one of these Selectronic 482s. So this means on this three-phase build we only have one phase on backup. We've got more critical loads on that phase, the red phase. So downstairs in this 2-story build we've got some power, we've got the fridge, we've got induction, we've got one splitty for heating and cooling. But upstairs, won't have power or lights where the bedrooms are. Massive first world problem here. We won't be able to have far infrared saunas during a blackout. Very difficult thing. So Selectronic Live, we've got the 482 on this. We've got the Select Live data monitoring. This gives us readouts of the state of charge of the batteries, the solar production that's coming in from another inverter charger that we've got on this job, and yeah, while we're exporting to the grid. So what we've done on this install is add 4 kilowatts of panels on the garage roof just to charge the batteries. So to do this we've put the Victron charge controller, the RS450-100. So that's a great little device really. It's got a screen with the readout. We could have put 2 strings of panels, so we've got room for an extra 4 kilowatts. But that's plenty. This system's performing really well. Virtually zero need for the grid, and just export on this job. We'll show you the batteries. So in here we've got a slimline cabinet, and inside this cabinet we have the PowerPlus 3.3 kilowatt 48 volt batteries. This cabinet will hold 9. Initially we started out with just 5 batteries in here, but we've added 2 more. So we've got a total of 7 of the PowerPlus batteries stacked in there, and we've got room in the shelves just to push the batteries aside and pop 2 more in if required. But yeah, this I believe is all we'll need on the job. We've got through winter really well with the extra batteries, so yeah, heaps of power. Customer is loving it.